Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learning Hub by RK. So today I come up with a very amazing software that is cleanup.pictures, wherein you can remove any unwanted part of that image. So now no more need to learn Photoshop. So here, without wasting any time, let us take an image and let's try to remove a part. Okay, so here you can see I'm just taking this image, and now for example I want to remove this child from the picture. Very easily I'll take this brush and select this part and click on erase. Let's wait for a second. Just see, in seconds it has deleted the picture. So just imagine now you don't need to learn any Photoshop or anything to erase any part of the picture. Okay, so let's try to do one more here and remove this one also. See how amazingly it has done. So there are so many things that you want to remove from the picture, so you can do it very easily. You can also take a sample picture here, and you can see here, for example, I don't like this pencil, I want to remove this pencil from the picture. I'll just select this and click here. Just see guys how easily it has done. So what are you waiting for? Start doing this with the pictures and remove any unwanted part. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.